Not every e-commerce business is the same, and some online stores rely on selling their products in partial quantities rather than whole units. When fractional quantities are needed for products like fabrics, cooking ingredients, construction materials, and similar, you can count on Shift4Shop advanced product management features. Setting these up in Shift4Shop couldn't be easier. Once your products have been added, simply check the Allow Fractional Quantities setting. Set up products that allow open fractional quantities, where the customer can enter any amount they like, or limited fractional quantities, by specifying a minimum quantity restricted to only allow multiples, so the customer can enter an amount, but the store will automatically round it up to the next fraction. And even preset fractional quantities, where the customer can only select specific quantities from a drop-down menu. Plus the ability to offer bulk pricing discounts based on fractional quantities tiers to incentivize customers to order more of your products. With Shift4Shop Fractional Quantities, you can prevent product waste, reduce extra expenses, and increase customer satisfaction. Shift4Shop, the free e-commerce solution.